Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure Jenkins latest stable version on Kali Linux 2025.1. First open any web browser, then go to Jenkins official website, that is jenkins.io. Click on documentation, then click on Jenkins, installing Jenkins, then select Linux. See, you don't have the Kali Linux, okay? So go to terminal, /etc os-release. See, its ID is like Debian, so we can install on Kali Linux. And see here the prerequisites. These are the minimum prerequisites, and these are the recommended. Okay, and software requirements, we must have Java. So open this link in new tab. Go to here. See, for latest release of Jenkins, we must have Java 17 or 21. So verify whether we have the Java or not. Java -- version. See, we have the OpenJDK 21. So software requirements also match it. So if you don't have this JDK 21 or not install Java, then you have to download and install Java JDK 17 or 21 for latest releases. Okay. Now go to here, then go up, then click on Debian or Ubuntu. And see here we have two types of releases, long-term support release and weekly release. So always recommended to install long-term support release. To install Jenkins, we have to run these commands one by one. So copy it, go to the terminal, paste it, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. It is done. Ctrl L. Now run this. See, enter these 3 lines is a single command. Paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now update the packages. Sudo apt get update. Hit enter. It is done. Now install the Jenkins. Ctrl L. Sudo apt get install Jenkins. Hit enter. See, it is downloading the Jenkins version 2.492. It is the latest stable version. See, we have successfully installed Jenkins. So verify the version of the Jenkins that we have installed, Jenkins -- version. See, we have installed Jenkins version 2.492. If you scroll down, we will see the next steps. Installation of Java, this is also done. See, first we have to start the Jenkins part. So verify the status of the Jenkins service. Sudo systemctl status Jenkins. See, Jenkins is not started, so start it. Sudo systemctl start Jenkins. Hit enter. Also notice Jenkins service is disabled. We have to enable this one also. We have started Jenkins service. Now enable sudo systemctl enable Jenkins. Hit enter. Now verify the status. Sudo systemctl status Jenkins. See, we have started Jenkins and it is enabled. Okay, we have started 18 seconds ago. Q2 kit and also notice here one more time. See, this is the initial password which is required to connect to Jenkins. You come down. See, in the post installation steps we have to connect Jenkins. So copy this URL, copy it, new tab, paste it, hit enter. Now it will ask initial admin password. See here, it is asking initial admin password. Copy this one, sudo more, hit enter. See, this password and this password both are same. You can copy either of them. Either is same. paste it and click on continue. Not now. Now get started. Customize plugins. Here we have two options: install suggested plugins or select plugins to install. So I am going with install suggested plugins. Click on it. See, plugins installation has been started. This will take time. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Now we have to create first admin account, or you can skip and continue as admin. Okay, so create admin username. Remember this username and password, which is required to connect to Jenkins later. See, you have to remember this username and password. Then provide any name, any email ID. Then click on save and continue. See, this is a Jenkins URL. Click on save and finish. See, all done. So click on start using Jenkins. See, you have the Jenkins dashboard. See, here we have the options like new item, build history, manage Jenkins, my use. And if you want to create job, you have to click on here. If you want to set up an agent, you have to click on here. And if you want to change the password, click on admin, security. Then you have to set the password. Okay, I am not going to do. And click on manage Jenkins. See, here we have different options like system, tools, plugins, nodes, clouds, etc. And click on plugins. See the available plugins. See, these are the list of the available plugins. If you want to install plugins, go to here. You can search for plugins and you can install. If you want to see the installed plugins, see here. These are the installed plugins. Okay. If you want to see the updates, go to here. No updates are there. Okay. Go to dashboard again. Jenkins. If you want to create user, click on users. Then click on create user. The same way, if you want to change the password, click on the settings, security. Again, you will come to this change password. Okay. The last option that I am going to show you is Control A. See, we are able to connect when Jenkins service is started. If we stop, we will see what will happen. Sudo systemctl status Jenkins. See, Jenkins is running. Q to quit. Control A. Now stop it. Hit enter. Now reload this page. See, we are unable to connect. Okay, to connect Jenkins service must be up and running. So start it again. Replace this status with start. Hit enter. Now reload this page. See, you got the login console or sign in console. Give the administrator that we have created. Then provide the password for that we have set for this user. Hit enter. Oh, thanks, not now. See, you got the console. Okay, if you want to restart, just replace the start with restart. Okay, see, we have connected with localhost. We can also connect with this host name. Copy this one, new tab, paste it, not copied. So right click, copy it, paste it, give the port number 8080, hit enter. Now give the same username and password. See, you have successfully connected. You can also connect with loopback IP because it is installed on this PC with the 127.0.0.1. Give the port number same 8080. So you got the same sign-in console to Jenkins. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to install and configure Jenkins latest stable version on Kali Linux 2025.1. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.